Breaking news which is coming in from the Kannada film industry. Now there are stars from the Kannada film industry who have met the state Chief Minister Siddaramaiah at his residence, and they are demanding a Hema committee-like probe in the Kannada film industry as well. In fact, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has said that this needs a detailed discussion and that he's very positive about it. The investigation will not be limited to just sexual harassment, but also about the working condition and other facilities for women who are working in the industry. And you can see the visuals there coming in of the film body meeting Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
We proposed a committee such as the Hema committee to be set up in Karnataka so as to investigate the working conditions that exist currently for women predominantly in the Kannada film industry, and through this investigation, we are hoping that a committee like the Hema committee can come up with recommendations to make the space safer and happier.
During the Me Too movement, you also come out and level some allegations. Now you are asking for Hema committee report. How do you see that, the repercussions which happened in Kerala film industry? Do you have any personally people come out, apart from your experience, to suggest such a Hema committee report?
So the Hema committee is completely separate from what the Me Too movement was and is. The Hema committee is an overall investigation into the general working conditions, and it's not limited, I repeat, not limited to sexual harassment or assault alone. It is working conditions such as washrooms, transportation, and not just for actresses or female actors, but across the board. We're talking about women who are dancers, junior artists. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಬೇಕು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೀವನ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, and that's what we are looking at.
What is the CM response was, and what has he promised?
He was very positive. He took the letter and he said we will talk about this in detail because that's what this requires, and we are extremely happy that his support is there.
Well, let me go across to Deepak. Deepak, right at the beginning of Mollywood's storm of Me Too, which had been kicked up, we never really thought that it's going to be spreading across each and every state. There have been several representations, similar demands coming in the state of Telangana and now in Karnataka as well. What exactly it is that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has assured this film body today?
Well, this is very important considering the fact that, while Kerala, we saw what the kind of outrage after the report came out. We saw the action that's being initiated, multiple FIRs now that have been registered. But many of them are of the opinion that, it is not just actresses in Kerala who face problems. It is, something that is of a norm or standardization that has come by in the last few years in the entire country. And now here in Sandalwood as well, we've had this letter that was written to the Chief Minister yesterday. Now physically, of course, a few of the actors and the signatories of this letter meeting the Chief Minister, asking him to look into any allegations of sexual assault if there are, and more importantly improve conditions for working for women and overall ensure the safety of women at these locations, and various other demands that have been put forth to the Chief Minister. We just of course spoke to some of them who did meet the Chief Minister, who are of the opinion that he has assured to look into all their demands and take this matter up seriously. We'll really have to see whether any sort of meeting in this regard will be held in the near future to chart out a plan of sorts to ensure that some of the demands that they have put forth, or anything that the government would really want to implement to ensure that the working conditions for women, especially in the film industry, in the theatre industry, or even in the serial industry, anywhere where they could make possible improvements or adjustments, whether that will be done in the near future, that remains to be seen.
Well, we'll have to wait and see what happens from here onwards. But Deepak, also give us a sense, has there been voices coming in from the Kannada film industry as well about similar exploitation of women actors? What was the need for this body to raise this issue? What are the concerns?
Well, after the Hema committee report as such, there haven't been anyone who've come out and spoken about this. But as far as, in the past, there have been complaints made by a few actresses Shruti Hariharan, in fact, who just spoke to my colleague Imran, was one of the actresses who had raised concerns herself in the past, and about her facing issues, and this coming in from a popular actor at that point in time. That matter, of course, was investigated as well. But more importantly, at this point, for this group of actors, in fact, to come out, they feel it's the need of the hour, because right now the focus seems to be on protection and safety of women working in the film business, in the entertainment industry, and they feel that the Karnataka government probably as well should look into the needs of the women and also the measures that should be taken to ensure safety of these women in the field. And right now they feel that this memorandum could probably draw the attention of the government towards what needs to be looked into, and if there are any cases of sexual harassment, because in many cases many of the women do not, of course, have the courage to come out and make that complaint, and whether they could create a panel of sorts or a forum where women could go address these issues, or speak about these issues in confidentiality or in the open. These are aspects, of course, that definitely could come up. Now, how seriously will the government take these recommendations and this request that has come in from this body? That remains to be seen.
Well, keep tracking the developments on that front, Deepak. We are going to come back to you. We are going to wait and see what happens from here onwards. The Mollywood Me Too storm, which has now cinched other states as well. Of course, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah says that he's very positive about it. Well, this is Deepak, do stay on with us. This has been a big step forward, because there have been several other industries across South India where we've seen similar representations being made and similar action being taken. You're saying that so far there haven't been any legal cases which have been pursued in Karnataka. But here onwards, what do we expect? What is exactly it is that the state can do to ensure that if there is any kind of harassment of women which is happening in the Kannada film industry, they're going to step in? After all, the Chief Minister said it was a very positive meeting. Deepak?
Well, yes. Now, as far as this entire movement is concerned, like we mentioned and spoke about earlier, it's not limited to Kerala alone, is it? Because we've seen, be it in Tamil Nadu, we've seen it in Telangana, we've seen it in Karnataka. Somewhere, a repercussion, or more importantly, a blowback effect of sorts. Some of them who've been staying mum, who now feel that they can come out and speak, because as far as this report, it has brought out some gory details of what the women had to go through. These was just allegations in the past, but somewhere while the investigation has concluded, it has given the women the strength that yes, there could be a fair probe, there could be action that could be initiated. Now, of course, it's up to any government, be it in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, if there are allegations that women are coming out and making, for them to take serious action, bring them to book, so that the women feel safe when they go out there. And this sort of a casting couch culture or harassment culture in the industry, or for that matter any sort of problem that the women are facing, that needs to be addressed at the earliest. And now with the governments being kept in the loop, more importantly complaints being made, probably it could come a long way to try and fix this long-standing issue.
Well, keep tracking the story. We are going to keep coming back to you, Deepak, for more updates. Those, meanwhile, were the pictures that we have been getting for you of the representation which has been made to the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. They are seeking that now there should be a similar body, which is going to be a similar committee, which is now going to be probing cases of alleged sexual harassment in the Kannada film industry as well. We just heard some of the actors as well who, after they met Chief Minister, have said that it has been a fruitful meeting with the Chief Minister. But with that, let's move on in the bulletin.